He's just having his way with this bird. Huh? You beating him? You beating him? You go ahead. You be careful. He'll hug you. Look. He's going to hug you. Look. I'm going to have him hug you. No, I'm going to make him hug you. Look. Give him kisses. Aw. Give him kiss. That's not a kiss. That's a bite kiss. Oh, you're faking. No, you're faking. You're biting him. Hey, don't bite him. He's sweet. Ow! Hey! What do you mean, what? You're biting my friend. You're biting my friend. Look. So I'll bite him again. Here. Oh. He's a little bit bigger than the other one. He's a little bit hard to body slam, huh? Don't bite off his eye. What is wrong with you trying to bite his eye off? That's not nice. Why would you bite his eye off? You're being mean. You're being mean. You make some good nights. You go ahead and you make some good nights. That's mean. You're being mean. Yeah, fine. We're going to get close up. No, close up. Big close up. No, oh. What? Ow! That's not a gimme. That was a bite. That was a big bite. Go ahead, bite. Go ahead. Ow! Ew! I didn't make you do it. Well, I did. Ow! Bite me. Pardon me. Why are you going to get that towel? Pardon me? Why? I love when you say pardon me and he repeats. What?